Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Accelerator Board. Accelerator Board. Accelerator Board. Accelerator board is a technical term that refers to a specialized circuit board or hardware component designed to enhance the performance of a computer or other electronic devices. It is commonly used in the field of computer technology and hardware. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The computer enthusiast upgraded his PC's gaming capabilities by installing a high-performance accelerator board. Why accelerator board is used in example number 1. Accelerator board is used to describe the hardware component that improves the computer's gaming performance. Example number 2. Some accelerator boards are designed specifically for cryptographic tasks, enhancing security protocols. Why accelerator board is used in example number 2. Accelerator boards are used in the context of enhancing security protocols through specialized hardware. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.